got TEMU Pass or Fail. I'm going to show you all the TEMU products I got. I've got 3 TEMU hauls so far, and I'm going to show you what's passed and what has failed. Okay, I'm going to start out by showing you my outfit today. This outfit came from TEMU. Now, I think it's okay. Would initially wear it out? Maybe not. I probably just do some yard work or a grocery store with it. I do like how it has the longer legs. It's kind of comfy, but it didn't have a zipper, so you literally just put it up like that. It has 2 back pockets, and it's kind of nice. I also got my sandals from them that I have on. I do like my sandals. They're super cute. Look at these. Super cute, and they were a really good deal. So my slippers have been a pass. My jumpsuit is, I don't know. But let's jump to the good stuff. Okay, I got the box bags. Okay, I'm going to start out by telling you the box bags are absolutely a pass, right on. I first of all have the extra large box bag. The buttons were a P or a D, and in the blue one, they came in Bs, but I wanted to switch mine out because I wanted a B. So I ordered them off of Amazon. I cut the old ones off and popped these on. They worked perfect, and also the pink is an extra large and the blue is a large size. I also got the inserts from off of Amazon, and they fit perfect inside both of the bags, and I absolutely love them for organization. And I saw the name brand one of this that I liked how it sucked up and then you curled it. Now I went and damped my hair a little bit. I don't know, I've heard that it takes a little practice to get used to. So let's see how it works. So I think that the dryer part works pretty good. The dryer part does work really good, and it heats up. Okay, my verdict is it gets really hot. But I saw on the original ones, the name brand ones, that the air is supposed to suck up your hair. And either I haven't figured out how to do it correctly or it doesn't work. So it does blow dry it. It does get hot. It does have, it does have interchangeable heads. It has the dryer head. It has this brush roller. It has this straightening thing, okay? And it has a bigger brush. I kind of like it because it's good to blow dry your hair, and maybe if I just practice a little bit more, I can learn how to use it better. But it's a great blow dryer for straightening or curling like that. I wouldn't consider it like a curler. I would use a hot iron for a curler, but I think it's a pretty good product. And it was only $26. $26. If you want $30 off, I have a link in my bio for $30 off at TEMU. Go to the link in my bio, sign up for TEMU, go to my stan.store. If you like this, I ask you to subscribe.
More pass or fail.
Different sizes for different things. It also has like the little hook that you can clean things with, and slanted that you can scrape things out with, and all different sizes.
The Scrub Daddy is a big fail. Let me show you. The real Scrub Daddy is really hard when it's dry, and the generic one is definitely like a sponge. It was a waste of money and didn't work.
Scrub Daddy Damp Duster. This Daddy
I give these a pass. They worked really good. Yay!
Is a collapsible bucket. You see, like this. Collapsible bucket. It works good. I like it on the inside. Inside it's got these knots and stuff. I like that. Scrunches up nice and flat. Pink stuff versus TEMU. It's a fail. First of all, this is the size. This is the size you get compared to this, okay? Second of all, and two is it's white. It's not pink. White, pink. And the size. This is Uho pink stuff. This glass cleaning cloth, it's huge, first of all. And second of all, it works excellent. I think it was $4, but these glass cleaning cloths last forever. And this is a super large one. And I will definitely use it again and again. I've used it several times. Glass cleaning cloths, you can wash them in regular wash. It's no special washing, unlike the microfiber cloth. And they clean glass, lint-free, excellent with just water. Or you can use glass cleaner, but it's super nice quality.